Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and in this model it doesn't really matter if you will be on the photo or the video mode, because the options which are connected with those modes are in the same place, so in the settings. So let's tap on the settings. Let me turn on whatever. As you can see here, we've got the video settings and the video resolution is right here, so let's tap. And as you can see, we've got three different options. 1080p option, which is recommended and is currently applied with the ratio 16:9. We've got also two different 720p, and the only difference is in ratio. Instead 16, we've got 21. So basically, in order to change the resolution, you have to simply tap on the option. And as you can see, you do not have to confirm anything. It will be immediately applied. So it means that from this moment, your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Of course, it's up to you which option you'd like to use, but I highly recommend to keep this option recommended turned on, as it is the best possible here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the video resolution in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.